Hi guys, today I'm going to teach you how to use the SQL drop statement in SQL Server. So the SQL drop database statement is used to permanently delete a database and all the data and objects it contains, including tables, views, indexes, and more. It is a powerful and irreversible operation, so it should be used with caution. I have a database here called company. Example, I want to delete that, so the first step to do is type drop database, and the database name you want to delete. Example, mine is company and semicolon. So when typing SQL commands, it doesn't matter whether you use uppercase or lowercase. So this is my example. This is the database name I want to delete, or replace the company with the name of the database you want to delete. So you're gonna execute that. So the command is completed successfully. So when we refresh this and click the database name company is gone. Take note guys, be careful before dropping a database. Deleting a database will result in loss of complete information stored in the database. That's it. Thank you for watching.